What are we rating the trolls then?
5.
Only a 5, okay?
5.
5.
I give them a 5, so it's a 5 all round.
You always say we can't go higher, so
I know, but it's
really nice.
It's really nice.
We have no idea what the hell flavour these are. These.
I know what flavour they are.
You have to try them. I tried the spicy. All dressed up.
What's it taste of?
You've got that song in my head now. Alright, I'm trying one.
Hey, I wanted that one!
There's another
No.
hard one there.
Please don't say what I think it is.
Oh!
I sat it on my tongue and I could taste it.
It's not just salt and vinegar. Oh wow.
It's dressings
I
of...
never was so funny.
Look at the tongue.
Look at yours!
Ah.
It's not just salt and vinegar, Martha. It's not just salt and vinegar. Wow, that's got a kick.
Yeah, I'm not so keen.
I like them. I purposely didn't get the all salt and vinegar packet.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan, but then you know what I'm like about...
I've got none with no kick, just salt and vinegar.
They're a cross between a cracker and a crisp.
Yeah.
Why do they make me feel like they're 50-50 crisp? Really?
I like those. I give them a 5.
I give them a 3 because it's a nice product, but I don't like the taste.
1.
And that's just...
We do have another flavour to try. They only had 3 flavours available on
Did you
American
spell the
Fizz.
inside of
He
your mouth?
just bit his own tongue.
So Martha gave them a 1, I give them a 3. 5 and 5, so that's a 14, which is the equivalent of a 4.
Even with that little bit of heat, that's nice.
Yeah.
Because the heat kicks in just in time to stop that
I
malt
smell the
vinegar
bag?
being overpowering.
Can I smell the bag?
You need to say bye-bye because you can't try the next product.
Bye, you two. Here is my shot glass. Oh, glass.
Well, we'll shout you back once we're done and we can...
Leg.
Jacob staying for the remaining...
The last item, Jacob is staying.
There's one more after this.
The dum-dums.
Definitely.
Oh, no, you want to stay for the show. You like seeing them.
Is this one clear?
No.
No, it's red.
My arm hurts.
Compared to the others, it's not a very bright red, but...
You notice the problem here? She's not giving me the glass to pour her a drink. That can's almost as big as you. Shall we do little dough, big drink again? Dodie.
Really don't like.
Have you hold your hand and put you on the tray? Would you like a straw? Wait till you turn 18 because then you're screwed. I've got naked pickies.
And all your school friends are going to see him because you're the first one to turn 18.
At least your private's covered. Jacob's aren't.
And obviously no one's on the wall.
Jacob took his first bath at 3 days old.
On camera.
He was so small they put him in a washing up bowl.
So how do we rate this then? I'll give it a 5.
Still a 5.
Martha's saying it's only a 4.
I don't think she likes it.
No, I don't think she likes it. The fact she's not taking it away from her face since she was given
Do
it.
not spit that in your
Huh.
dad's face. Can I have a little bit more, please?
You do realise you said a little bit, so she's not going to give you much.
If you ever want another one ever.
Uh-oh.
Martha's never getting another one of these ever again.
It didn't go in the biscuits, did it?
No.